I've already cut up bananas and some carrots. Could have diced them a bit smaller. Now I'm preparing some spinach. Bucket. Spinach here. I'm going to cut it, tear it small, so it can more easily go into this pot here. Where should we put the pot here? Well, this is the pot. We'll put the pot back over there. Making it really small, see? Really, really small. Really, really small. Really, really small. You don't really have to do it this small. I'm just doing it because it's easier. It'll make it easier for the blending. Be sure to wash your spinach unless it's already pre-washed. There's all yucky little piece. So you just tear it into wee pieces. And the last bit. And into the pot. Okay. Now I'm going to put some ground almonds in. Not a lot, just about a teaspoon. Maybe about that much. Or maybe, let's be bold, that much more. Now, a little bit of flaxseed. Very nutritious. A little bit more. So that equals about, I would say, a teaspoon. And what should I put in there next? Maybe, I think we need some yogurt and some beetroot juice. Now we're adding some beetroot. This you add to your taste, but you do need to fill up, I do need to fill it up to there, so one of the liquids will be beetroot. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Like I said, just do it to your taste, whether you like it. And if you don't like beetroot, you can use orange juice. Pineapple juice might go well as well. Now we're going to pop some yogurt in here. Before the peanut butter, just a splash. Really, really just a splash of orange juice. Now for the peanut butter. Maybe just teaspoon will do. A generous teaspoon. Okay, waste not, want not. Yum. Okay, we're about done now. Now we're going to fill it up with water. Just a bit of water right to the max line. You can, of course, use whatever smoothie blender you have. I use a NutriBullet, so that's why I'm so concerned about this Max line. Because I want there to be plenty of room for everything to get all mixed up without something terrible happening. So in goes the water. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Okay. Doesn't that look nice? Well, it looked nice once it becomes a drink. So, there's handful of spinach. Everything's very loose. Measurements. Handful of spinach. Some carrot. I put a whole carrot in, chopped it small. Put some almond powder in there. That was what, about a teaspoon? About a teaspoon or more, 2 teaspoons of flax seed powder for the nutrition. And, banana, whole banana. Splash of orange juice, splash of beetroot to your taste, whether you like beetroot, how much you like it anyhow. And I think that's it, isn't it? And yogurt, and peanut butter, and water. Okay, let's get busy blending. Okay, I'm just gonna have this on, the sound on for a minute because this makes one heck of a noise. So here we go. If you're using a NutriBullet, timing is important, so timed it with my handy dandy Garmin for 1 minute. Next step, we're almost ready to get it down us. Let's see what kind of magical, nutritious, delicious, and fairly quick concoction we've got here. We will drink it in my very elegant Great British Beer Festival glass. And here we go. Oh, doesn't that look absolutely heavenly? Oh, yes, me hearty. Oh, yes. That made about full glass. Shall we try it? Shall we try it? Shall we try it? Let's give it a whirl. This is so good. Give it a try. You'll like it.